It is now 4 p.m. on November 1st, Beijing time. Yesterday's video suggested short selling in EURUSD at 1.0670 to 1.0735. The entry point of the traders group was lower at 1.0635, and the highest after it was issued was 1.0674. Some short orders reached the entry point. The lowest price after entering the market is 1.0546. For those who follow the video or in the trader group, there is a profit margin of 89 to 128 points per lot. Lao Dai prompt to sell when the exchange rate fell to 1.0595, earning $400 to $790 per lot. Then there is gold. Yesterday's video suggested going long below 1982. After it was issued, it reached the entry point at 2:30 in the morning. The lowest price was 1975.2. Some long orders reached the entry point. After entering the market, the highest price was 1984, making a small profit of 80 points. You can leave the market first and make today's new positions. In addition to manually operated orders, Lao Dai's main account has always been bound to the EA program for automatic trading in EURUSD. In order to survive in this market for a long time and achieve stable profits, the program will be upgraded and optimized every 6 months, and market data will be updated in a timely manner. From October 1st to October 31st, a total profit of $56,911 was made, and the monthly income was stable at 11 to 19%. Now entering November, it will be recalculated and disclosed in real time. This main account has been publicly displayed for more than 3 years and will continue to do so in the future. Especially those who are interested can ask me for the password to observe. The initial funds on the custody range from $5,000 to $150,000. Choose the appropriate cooperation model based on your needs. How to operate today? Let's look at EURUSD first. The market trend in the second half of the week will revolve around the Federal Reserve's decision and the press conference in the early morning of Thursday and the U.S. non-agricultural data on Friday. The suspension of interest rate hikes is basically a foregone conclusion. The rest depends on Powell's expectations of how long high interest rates will be maintained. The market currently generally believes that the United States will begin to cut interest rates from March to May next year, and then enter an economic recession in the second half of the year. The annual CPI data released by the Eurozone yesterday showed a cooling down. At the same time, the increased risk of recession caused EURUSD to decline, but the trend has not yet fallen below the support of 1.0520. Before there is any further news, you can wait for 1.0502 to 1.0440 to go long, with a stop loss of 1.0427. Although the price of gold has corrected, it is still highly affected by geopolitics and the monetary policy stance of the Federal Reserve. The situation in the Middle East has not stopped yet, and the U.S. economy has also slowed down significantly. Both the credit card overdue rate and the number of corporate bankruptcy are also rising. The market expects that the non-agricultural data this time will not be very good, which will provide support for gold prices. However, multiple factors affecting the trend are accumulated. It is recommended to wait for the lower 1961 to 1948 to go long and stop loss at 1946. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is yesterday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing. But it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Lao Dai will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation, and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Warren Buffett.